think are the leading causes of poor reading comprehension? Could it be kulang ho sila sa nutritious na pagkain, or ang pamilya nila ay single parent lang yung kanilang nag-aalaga, wala silang internet or overexposure sa internet, or lack of parental involvement?
The support of the parents. Not even 50% of the grade 12 learners attended the ARAL. It's because they have to do summer job. For the materials, we do have, but it's how these materials are used that really needs attention.
Gusto ko lang pong sabihin na maraming mga Pangasinense ang napakagagaling na mga bata. Bigyan lang sila ng tamang guidance, bigyan sila ng sapat na tools, marami pong mag-e-excel. Dahil may nakita po ako mga bata na mahihirap po ang buhay nila, kinayod ng mga magulang, and ngayon, professionals. Dahil magagaling po ang mga taga-Pangasinan. Siyempre po nag-i-evolve ang technology. Marami na po tayong mga bagay na hindi natin nakita nung panahon natin, pero ngayon na-experience ng mga bata. Nung araw wala po tayong mental health. Ngayon meron na mga ganon. And we want to help these children to have a better future than ours. The students now are more on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. My question is, how do schools ensure that the students distinguish credible information from fake news? And are the teachers also adequately trained to teach digital literacy? We want to integrate technological education to basic education curriculum. So is that slowly being adopted already? Sa TESDA po na nabanggit ko po the last time, meron utang ibibigay sa amin which napakakukonti po ng mga courses which hindi na po bagay sa mga changing times. Kasi lagi po nabibigay baking, mga ganon, yung pastry baking, mga ganyan. So I requested that, because I know that you have a program on AI. So, can we request for those kinds of courses? Bakit daw may honors pa din ang mahina namang magbasa? That's one. Number two, bakit nakakapasa ang hindi naman marunong magbasa? Bakit kahit college graduate or SHS graduate, senior high, nahihirapan pa rin maghanap ng maayos at disenteng trabaho?
The criteria in determining honor students is not really based on whether they can read or they cannot read. Sometimes, really, even if probably they really cannot really read, but they are somehow able to answer, then they are able to pass. But that was already considered this year, and that is why there is now a change in the grading system.
The reason why we're concerned, kasi syempre may mga, we go down sa mga barangays so we know mga kwentuhan ng mga pamilya. Minsan nakapagpagawa ng ganito yung parents, so nabigyan ng konting, it happens. No, we cannot deny that it happens. But our concern is, for example, ipasa natin sila, later on they're also going to have difficulty. Kasi pinilit natin na para lang makagraduate. So later on, we might have a generation na pilit lang siya, pero hindi siya capable or equipped. We have a lot of graduates every year, and even if we give them programs like we have DOLE programs, it's not enough. So we really need to give them a stable job so they can also help their families.